Hello and welcome to the Principles of Programming series. In this video we're going to close out Chapter 9 in the Python Labs. So before we get started on it, please go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. If you're unable to do that, make sure you're logged in. And if you have not yet created a YouTube account, remember it is free and take less than a minute. So at this point, I hope that you've already done that by now. So also when you subscribe to a channel, it helps you navigate and gives you a notification whenever that YouTuber posts a new video. So it's an easier way to navigate, and also you're able to like and comment on videos. So make sure you create your YouTube account, and if you lost your password, that's easy to recover just by clicking on forgot my password. So with that said, let's go and see what our video is going to be about. We're going to be talking about Chapter 9, Python Lab 9-6, using Python's built-in functions. So, in this lab, you complete a partially written Python program that includes built-in functions that convert strings to all uppercase or all lowercase. The program prompts the user to enter any string. To end the program, the user can enter done. For each string entered, call the built-in function lower and upper. The program should call these functions using a strict object, followed by a dot, followed by the name of the function. Both of these functions return a string with the string changed to uppercase or lowercase. Here's an example. Sample, this is a string. Result equals sample.lower. And then result equals sample.upper. So those are the functions. And the source code file, once again, is provided for this lab, includes the necessary variable initializations and necessary input and output statements. Comments are included in the file to help you write the remainder of the program. Task 1, nothing to do with it. So this is an example of the program shown below, but I don't see it. Not on there at all. There's only one page. So, well, just like the last one, you type in a word, all caps, and it'll do it lowercase, or type it in lowercase, it'll capitalize it for you, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, so let's look at the code real quick after this. Alright, here we have our code, and basically we got our main function, and file sample compared to done. So we're going to call function here and print the result. So already the print part's already in there. So we have minimal coding to do. We'll get to it, and we'll go out here and close out, call the main function to run the program at the end. So let's start with line 11. We'll go ahead and jump right in. So call the lower function here and print the result. Print is already there, so we'll just do results as an example, or just like the example, equals sample dot lower and our parentheses. That's it for that first part. Next thing, so we're going to print it lowercase. It's already done for us. So let's go to line 15, and we're going to do result equals sample dot upper, and that's what we got for that. So as we look at it here, they got the rest of it. They're going to print uppercase plus results. And then sample equals input to say enter a string or done when you want to quit. And once you do that, or that's what's going to be displayed. And let's see. Let's go down to our main. Once again, if you have your if name equals main, go down here and you can call the main function, but you want to indent it when it has their main. Let's take a look at this from top to bottom. Get ready to see the whole thing. Almost. Got it. Where we restart it. So we start from 5. We'll start with the while statement. All sample dot compare to done. That's already written for us. So we called our lower function here and print the result. Result equals sample dot lower, and then print lowercase plus result, whatever the result is. And the same thing, result equals sample dot upper, print uppercase plus result. Then sample equals input, enter a string or done when you want to quit. And then if main equals main, so we did do that. So let's go ahead and run our code. Make sure you can see it. See all that. Run it and enter a string. So last time we did adventure. Adventure. Sales attribute error. Did it even do it for us? Let's see what we got here. There's a lot going on. So give me a minute. File, set student. While sample compared to done is telling us, it's not really giving us an error. There's no attribute. So I'm going to look at it and see if I can find anything wrong with it, and we'll get back to you. Alright, I see a possible problem. We're going to try this to remove this parentheses and do while sample. We don't need this compare to, that's why it was in there. Let's do this. Sample. And let's make this done. Alright, so on line 8, change that around. It didn't give us any hints. I guess in the book, in the PAL, goes into that very briefly. So check that out. Sample inputs, while sample done. Let's try to run that, make sure there's nothing else that can throw us off. Everything else looks good. Let's run it and see what we get. Alright, let's try it again. Adventure. And there it is. Lowercase, uppercase. Uppercase, adventure. Uppercase. It was both cases. So, yep. Alright, so what we got here, let's see if it'll give us the full credit for it on the by running it. And I'll show you what it looks like again while we wait for that to calculate our grade. So on line 8, we change it to while sample explanation are equal to, done in parentheses, and then colon. Then we did our result equals sample dot lower. On line 11, line 15, result equals sample dot upper. Then we went all down to the bottom and did in our main call our function. It looks like we got 100% because I see some green. And yes, it's 100% and the task is green. So I'll leave you with the code one more time so you can get that in case you didn't get it all that go around and get another shot at it. And from 8, we started on 8, 11, and 15, and 22. Alright, so thanks for viewing the video. We'll see you on the next one. That completes chapter 9. One more chapter to go. And I hope to see you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful day. And I'll leave you with the code up.